Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is an update. Planting trees starting to come back up. This is the pomegranate coming out. All right, nectarine. This tree is loaded with nectarines. The persimmon tree is filling out nice. I don't see no blossom yet. I'm not gonna see no blossom for another, I would say another month and a half. All right, this is the peach tree. Has peaches on it. There's a whole lot of them on the inside. This is the plum tree. To be honest with you, it had blossoms, but okay, I see them around here. And there's quite a few more. They look green. They blend in with the leaves for some reason. And the pear tree. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh, all over. And still have more blossoms coming up. Look at that. Beautiful. Over here's the second one. There's only a few blossoms on this one, but they're showing out. Nice. All right. Over here is the cherry tree. Cherry tree is loaded. And this was just a little update. Catch you guys on the next one.